ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're going to cook on the Blackstone. I'm going to do chicken drumsticks on the Blackstone. But I'm doing them different. I'm going to do boneless chicken drumsticks. Let me go inside. I'll show you how I debone them. Then we'll come back out. We'll toss them on the Blackstone and get these things going. Okay, there's my drumstick. I'm going to peel the skin off of it. We don't need the skin. Slice down the center. Open it up and use a sharp knife so you can get down to the bone, and then work your way around the bone. Be very careful. Scrape it on down and cut it off. Now, you want to make sure you get that little thin bone that runs along the side of the drumstick. And if you want, you can get some of these tendons out if they come out easy. If not, don't even sweat it. And there you go. There's all 10, there's all my bones and skin. And now we're going to add some Uncle Steve's Sweet and SpicyR. This stuff's a pretty good spice that goes on chicken really well. You want to get both sides, just flip them over. And do the other side. And there you go, let's take it outside. All right, what do you think of that? Pain in the butt, right? It took me about a little over 30 minutes, 35 minutes to do all 10 drumsticks. There they are with the Uncle Steve's Sweet and SpicyR on them. I just wanted them flat. You know, I know there's some of you out there that don't like dealing with the bones. These don't have bones now. I guess the key to really deboning them, you don't have to get all those tendons. A lot of those tendons will just, you know, when you eat them, they're kind of soft, and once they're cooked, you won't notice. But there, a lot of the, if you think about the drumsticks when you're eating them, a lot of times there's that little sharp bone down the side of the drumstick. Just make sure when you're deboning them, you get that part off. All right, so I got this Blackstone on low, and we're just gonna add some olive oil, fry them up. Let's get it going. Okay, I'm gonna get some oil on here for them. Got 3 burners going. Just get a little bit of oil on there. All right, now I'm not gonna lie, most of them came out good. I got a couple here that ended up just being pieces, so that's all right though. We lay them down. If we get them laid down right, they're gonna cook up just fine. So let's set that one right there. Same thing with this one. Just a couple of pieces. The rest came out pretty good. Okay, again, my grill is all on low. All dials are on low, but it is sizzling because it's nice and heated up. And we're just going to get all 10 of these laid down. Great. Number 9 and number 10. Now we're just going to let these cook for, 2 or 3 minutes. It's on low. And after that, we're going to flip them and go from there. And as you can see, look at that when I flip them. Look how nice they are. They're not burnt. And that's because I keep my flame on low and keep the griddle surface, probably right around 350 degrees. Okay. I'm going to let these go for about a minute covered. And actually, I think I'll squirt a little water in there, get a little steam going. Okay, I'll be back in about a minute. Take a look. Oh, yeah. Just a quick tip check to make sure. All right. 140s, so they got a little ways to go. I'm going to go ahead and foam these again. Okay, it's been about another minute. I'm going to go ahead and flip these one more time. Going to scooch all these together. Now what I'm going to do is, since we're using Uncle Steve's, I'm going to use Uncle Steve's no name sauce, or the sauce with no name. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and add some to this right now. 'cause I know it's going to be good. Okay, then we're going to dome it again. We're going to let some of that sauce just kind of bake in there, warm up. Pat it out of the fridge for a little bit, but it's still a little cool. So we'll be right back. All right, it's been another minute. Let's temp them again. $166, $169, $170. Remember, these are the drumsticks, so 170 is a good temperature for them. 176, anything from 165 to 180 works great. And it's time to get these off of here. Look at that goodness. Oh my. Alright. That is boneless chicken drumsticks off the Blackstone with Uncle Steve's Sweet and SpicyR and the sauce with no name. Hey, anytime you're working with anything with sugars in it, you do want to use a little water to clean your griddle. Alright, how easy is that? Boneless, actually boneless skinless drumsticks on the Blackstone Griddle. You know what we got on them. Sweet and SpicyR, the sauce with no name, and these pieces over here that are all kind of in pieces. Well, that's what I'm going to try. Look at there. Got my fan back there making some noise. I'm going to have to oil it. All right, there you go. Oh my goodness. That is really, really super good. No bones. No bones about it. Wow. All right. Like I said, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to get those prepared, but give it a try. Take your time. Get them cleaned off. Yes, some of them won't come out perfect, but it's all right because you're just cooking at home. I did all 10 of them because, you know, we'll eat a little bit tonight, but I'm having sandwiches for lunch through the week, so I'm excited for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, come back and watch the next video. And have a great day.